Feel like pumpkin spice to me. I don't remember the colors because we have so many. I will find out if you are having any questions. I have a, I don't know how you call this one, like have a light, like a blush orange. So apply thin coat. You don't need a whole lot. You don't want to be too thick. And we are going to using the same brush. Just a little bit on the background. This loose glitters, you can absolutely encapsulate with the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat, or you can mix this with your liquid gunpowder acrylic, or dipping powder, or hard gel, or poly gel, to however you want. So now I'm happy with this. I am going to clear this one, flash clear. I put this one away like each time you're using just a little bit, but I'm so adore this. All right, I'm gonna wipe my brush really well. And I am using the condensed glue gels again to encapsulating this. And make sure you blend it, and then it will fill in any of the gap you feel it's not like smooth. It will balance it out. It looks really freaking cool when you put that condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat on. Thin coat, you don't need like really thick. Make sure you blend it nicely, and then top coat on. I'm using a no wipe top coat. Sorry, I'm opening it but I try to show you the products I use. Floating on the top. So now if the client doesn't want anything else, clear this for 60 seconds and you are ready to go. Make sure you are collecting the client's money and they will give you a good tips because they know too gorgeous. All right, here for 60 seconds. Let's do another 40. Like I'm only using this weaver and then cooling. I'm gonna show you this, and then this colors is so freaking stunning. So lovely. We see how we do this two together. So now I am going to using, this is gonna be interesting. Fall with kind of like teal color. I'm so in love with this. All right, I'm gonna flash clear this one. You can do however you would like with this weaver gel. You can have 4 toothpicks together and then you can tape it together, or you can do singles line using just the dot tool. However you prefer, you pick the design you would like, or your clients. Get a piece of paper right there, and this alcohol I'm using. I picked this just a little bit. Again, our 3D dual 3D brush. So one end is acrylic Condensed brush, and the other end is your really a perfect size silicones for your nails art. This is really interesting. I'm gonna do the flowers right there. It doesn't have to be right on the cuticle. It can be on this side. All right, everyone, do you want to hear my story today? Working all day, so excited because Glitz always trying to bring the best to you and to support every single of you. We love you all. And I'm watching Sarah live, and all of a sudden I'm doing really great, and bam, I got a toothache. Have you ever had that? I got that when I was little, and I never let it make it happen because like I just see my dentist last week. Everything she said, you did good, you take good care, like no cavity, blah blah blah. I said great. I don't know why maybe it's just a teeth right next to my wisdom tooth is acting up. Well, I got it pulled out like a long time ago, almost 20 years ago when I was in college. So it's painful. I knocked myself some pains like relief or whatever. But anyway, and he would tell me, do you want to take off for today? I couldn't even do anything. It's so painful. I have no what the heck it is. I'm gonna call a dentist. But then guess what? I said, no, I'm gonna keep it busy. I want to do live videos so then I can keep my mind off that. And at the moments right now, I don't feel pains. I just drink waters during the time I do live. But it's at school and medical. I don't feel I don't feel pains right now. It's weird. Maybe because it's so tired of me stubborn that I'm not give up, I guess. So it's fun, interesting. It's okay. I'm not gonna just not doing it, because then this will probably keep me from not thinking about it. So now I'm afraid of if I'm analyzed, it's gonna hurt me again. It's just funny. Stay tuned. And everybody seeing any of the information posts for the special contest? We love it. We don't quote as it is the challenge, but also I think it's a great challenge. It's a good positive challenge for all of us. I would able to enter if I allowed to, but I guess I can't wait to see any single of you beautiful work. Sorry, I just focus on this now, but please check that out on our original post. We would love to have all of you. Just, it's gonna be fun. You got nothing to lose, and also is a great to challenge that I'm not saying it challenge or like compete with no one but ourselves. If you feel that you can't do it, you don't know until amazing at how you decide to doing it. The contest info is freaking amazing. You can make sure you read all the information. It's great info. Everybody can enter. We are absolutely looking for amazing nail tech. You don't know until you're trying it. Just read all the information. We have it in there. And I'm going to cut half of this off. Half right there.
Yep, so I got this. The liquid is alcohol. She should use alcohol with 4D gel.
So it's really great. We would love to get an opportunity to work with you. For past almost 3 years, we got really grateful and blessed, trained a lot of ours influencer, ambassador. We want nothing but want you the best. Best for you, best for your careers, best for you, best for life, and best for you feeling you are really positive. Believe in what you're doing and really enjoying with us. No stress at all. Just do what exactly you're doing it every day. If you are can't have a models for the whole entire set, you can do your own hand like this, like me doing it on the live with you, but make sure you get it really a good shot for yours, because that's gonna make it decide, well, when even you participate, you already win-win. But it's gonna be really awesome that we got to work with you. And there's so many of amazing with Glitz if we got you in the team.